So I'm gonna make a real quick video on how to show you guys how to remove your dog bone mount off a Polo 9 in. Just a quick video gonna save the buck. I don't want to go to a mechanic or anything. I have to show you the steps, which was what's come loose, what tools you'll need, and then that's about it. So first thing, you have to get your car up on jack stands to be safe, not so sketchy like me with one brick there. And this over here is your dog bone mount. It mounts all the way to the back there. So this two bolts in the front here on this bracket here, those are 16mm bolts. Same goes for that. Well, that's a 17 bolt, and then on this side it's a 16mm nut, and then right at the bottom there, that's a 16mm as well. You'll probably need to use a socket there. So it's just these two bolts in front, which are 16mm. This one here, which the one that you're looking at now, is a 17mm bolt. And then where are we now? And then this bolt that's there, that's a 16mm as well. So once you got these two loose, the middle one, you should be able to get out along with the entire coupling, or the entire mounting, sorry. That's all. And then there's a sneaky one actually right in here, just before you get the actual dog mount. There's actually 3 bolts in the bracket. So it's 1, 2, there's a third one there, and it's these two on the dog bone, and one that's mounting over the dog bone as well. So just get the sneaky one out here, and then it should come right out. Okay, so I'm struggling to get this one out here. My socket is slipping on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this bolt here so the dog bone can just slide out. Okay, so now I've encountered another problem. The bolt is knocking against the gearbox, so the bracket is gonna have to come loose a bit so you can just clear the box. And it's out. Simple as that. And there's your dog bone.